Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Will Ellis. I am an affiliate marketer. My goal in this channel is to provide to you tried and proven methods to help you and your online businesses to either supplement your income or hopefully one day completely replace it. Now today I want to talk to you about how you can have one email account but unlimited email addresses. Sound confusing? I understand, but bear with me. So let's say you have a TikTok account and you're doing really good, getting a bunch of videos out there with hundreds and hundreds, maybe thousands of views each. Then all of a sudden you use one of those forbidden words. Take a lesson from me, don't use the word money, dollars, or affiliate in your videos. They will automatically affect your account. They're going to put a cap on how many views you're going to get. I was getting thousands of views on some videos on my account. All of a sudden, the next video I put out, I said the word $25. Then all of a sudden, that video and everyone after capped out around 60 views. So, rant aside, the reason you're going to want what I'm talking about here today is because if you need to create a new TikTok account or Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, whatever you need to create, you don't want to go through the hassle of having to create a new email address and track another password. Total pain in the butt, I understand. So how do you get around this? Well, Gmail actually has the ability to essentially use unlimited variations of your email address while everything still gets delivered to the same account. This is gold, trust me. I've had to go through, let's see, I'm on TikTok account number 9 now because the learning curve is steep, let's be honest. You know, you find out certain words you can't say, certain words you can't put in your captions, certain things you can't put in your hashtags. And I've had a bunch of accounts kind of go south, so I've had a little bit of experience in this. So the first step is to open up your web browser. You'll notice here I've got an incognito tab open. It really doesn't matter if you have one or not. I just didn't want to have any of my cached information pop up when I go to the Gmail website. So first thing first, we're going to go to gmail.com. And you've probably already done this process if you have a Gmail account, but go ahead and create yourself a new account for personal use, whatever. And we'll go ahead and fill out our information here. My name is William Ellis. Let's see what I want to create here. Financial freedom with Will Ellis at gmail.com. Go ahead and fill out your birthday and your gender. Scroll through the privacy and terms. So now go ahead and test out our new email address. Use my other account to go ahead and send this. So saying to financial freedom with Will Ellis at gmail.com. I'm going to copy that email address because we're going to use a couple variants of it so you can see what I was talking about. So I'm going to send test message number 1. And there it is. You can see if I open it up, the email address I sent this to is financialfreedom with Will Ellis at gmail.com. So that's great and all, but how do we get these unlimited email addresses based on this one account? I'm going to pop over here to TikTok and show you what I'm talking about real quick. So now we're on TikTok. We're going to click the login button. We don't have an account yet, so we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom, hit sign up, and then use phone or email. On the next screen here, click where it says sign up with email. Go ahead and pick your birth date in this block here. I'm going to say January 1st, it doesn't really matter, 1980. Alright, so our email address, I'm going to go ahead and put in the full email address that we created earlier. Send code. So when I do that, it's going to send a code to my email address to complete the sign up process. Back to our inbox. There's our code. 386455. Oops. Okay, so then I'll say use your TikTok app, scan the code, and then it'll load the account up on your screen for you. And then you're good to go. You've got a TikTok account with your email address. Okay, so how does this help us with our problem of wanting to create multiple accounts with one email account? This is where the tricks come into play. I'm going to open up Notepad here. Maybe I can explain it a little easier. Alright, so we have our our initial email address, financialfreedomwithwillellis at gmail.com. Gmail lets you use a couple of special characters when you're doing your email addresses. You can use either the period, and you can use that anywhere within your email address. Now what I'm saying with this is you can send emails that are, say, financial freedom with will.ellis. You can put a bunch of them out here. Say financial freedom with Will Ellis, financial freedom with Will Ellis, so on and so forth. You can put all these different addresses out there. Put a period floating anywhere within the left hand side of your email address before the @ symbol. Every single one of these will get delivered to the same email account that you already have, Financial Freedom with Will Ellis. So, just to show you what I'm talking about, copy that. I'm going to send one to this address. This is financial freedom with will.ellis. We'll call that test 2. Okay. I will send one to this address, financial freedom with Will Ellis. It's test 3. And then we will do the final one here, financial freedom with Will Ellis at gmail.com. That's test number 4. Head back over here. You're going to see these things trickling in. We've got test number 2. You'll see here it came to financial freedom with will.ellis. Got test 3, test 4. Again, these are all those email addresses I just tried to use. They all got delivered to the same inbox. So that's cool and all, but you're going to get confused most likely with this period and where you put the period. You know, is it at the beginning? Was it at the end? Did I have 3 of them? Did I have 1 of them? Whatever it is. So that takes me to the second feature that Gmail gives to you, and that is the plus sign. Personally, I like the plus sign. It's fantastic. Example that we have here, you can put a plus sign at the end of your email address with whatever after it you want. So in this case here, I'm going to say Financial Freedom with Will Ellis plus TikTok 01. So say I created that TikTok account earlier and I used this email address. Actually, let's go ahead and just do that real quick. Let's go back to login, sign up, use this, sign up with email, and put a password here. Okay, I'm putting in the new email address, Financial Freedom with Will Ellis plus TikTok 01. Send the code. We'll hop back over here to Gmail, wait a second, and boom, there it is. So TikTok was able to send us email when we added something to the end of our email address here. So we can do this as many times as you want. You know, say that you're creating your accounts, you want to have your TikTok 01, you want to have TikTok 02, 03, you know, just keep going for as many TikTok accounts as you're going to want. Or better yet, you know, you can have multiple services in here. We can add on plus Instagram, plus Facebook, plus whatever it is you need, you know, plus online banking. It doesn't matter. Whatever you put in after that plus, whenever Gmail gets it, it strips this part off and just sends it to your base email account. Now to take this to the next level, you're going to have all emails from every one of these email addresses popping into your inbox. It might get cluttered, you might get confused. We're going to go to the next step on here, and that is going to be management of your inbox. Okay, so back over in your Gmail interface, next to labels, go ahead and click the plus sign. We're going to add a label in here for TikTok. Let's see, we'll add one in here for junk. Personally, I like to use the email address, my email plus junk at gmail.com. For all those websites you got to go to that are super annoying where you have to register just to access the content that's behind it. So use that junk tag on there. It'll get to your email account, and I'll show you what we're going to do with those in just a second. Let's create another one on here. Instagram. All right, so that's just a few of them, right? Okay, so now we're going to go in the top right corner here and click on the settings cogwheel and hit see all settings. Across the top, We'll find this filters and blocked addresses. Okay, so now what we want to do is create a new filter. It's here in the middle of the screen. In the to field, we're going to add in the plus junk. Okay, now we're going to click on create filter. And with anything that has the plus junk, what we want to do is we're going to apply a label and call it junk and create filter. Back to our main interface, we'll pop open our email here, put in the plus junk, and we're going to test the filter. Shoot off the email, and you'll see it came in. It automatically added that tag on there, that label for junk. So if we click over here on the labels list, if I want to see just stuff that was sent to my junk folder, there it is. Now you can continue this process with everything else that we got, your TikTok, your Facebook, whatever it is. That'll help you get all of your emails in, filter them out for you. You don't have to worry about creating more and more email accounts and more passwords to remember and all that stuff. Now you might be wondering, when would I not want to use this? And truly, if there's any kind of account you're going to have where you might have to send an email from your email account that's associated to that account, then you don't want to do this. For instance, I'll say NordVPN. I got a NordVPN account. I want to change my email address. They said you have to email them from the account that was used to register your services. So in that case, I cannot send an email from my email address plus VPN. I have to send it from the base level account. So if it's something like that, go ahead and create you a new account and dedicate it to that purpose, or reuse your just generic email address that you use every day. But if it's something like TikTok or Facebook that you're never going to have to send an email from, this is a fantastic solution to minimize the number of accounts you're having to manage and the number of passwords you have to memorize. Now, if you're still with me and you want to take a look at another affiliate opportunity that will help to boost your income levels, take a look down in the description. I've got a link for the $25 all-in-one business. I started with these guys a couple of months ago. The sign-up process is easy. The community support is amazing. We've got 11 mastermind sessions every single week. We have the founders of the company. We got all the community members on there. We're talking Q&A, tips and tricks, what's working today, what's not working. We'll work through why your sales funnels are working, any kind of technical issues you have, and the whole 9 yards. So go ahead and give it a click. There's going to be a short video on there where you can watch. We'll talk about the program a bit. Absolutely zero obligation at this point to sign up. If it is something you're interested in, there will be a sign up link right below the video that you can click to get started today. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section of this video. Let me know what's on your mind. If there's some future content you want me to shoot, let me know that as well. And hopefully we'll see you around for our next video. So until next time, have a great day.